Wine slow, girl you a put on a fine show. Me glad say me fine yo. Make you stop work, start mine yo. I am front. You see the body there. Me want bring in a me place and lock you eh. You see the body there. I feel the lyrical.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Elise London, and for those who do know me and who are familiar with my channel, a warm welcome back. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on my post notifications to always know when I upload. So guys, I'm going to tell you all my first initial thoughts about this hair, because this is my first time ever reviewing hair from the company Luvme. So I'm literally going to fill you guys all in on my thoughts about this hair. So what you're going to see me do in today's video is that I'm going to review it, show you all the little goodies what was inside of the box alongside of the hair, and then I'm going to install it and style it. So the first few things that I noticed about this unit was the colour. The colour is like a sugar plum colour, and I love the texture, I love the curls. This is in the texture Deep Wave. Another thing that I also noticed about this hair is that the lace looks transparent, and yes, this wig is a teapot lace wig, but it does go from air to air. And to install this wig, I'm going to go in with the adjustable strap which came with the hair and hook it onto the wig just so that the wig will be extra secure. And I'm also going to hook the hooks at the back so that it's extra snug and this wig ain't moving, period. So here what I'm going to be doing is adding a little bit of my foundation to the lace so it blends really well with my skin tone. And what I'm not going to do is come on here and lie to you all. So the disappointment that I had with this wig was that it wasn't true to length, guys. They said that they sent me out an 18-inch and I feel like they sent me out a 14-inch, literally, because it is not true to length. I've had wigs before which have been sent from different companies, various different companies, and it's been true to length. But I think what they do is they go off by the stretch of the hair, and that ain't it. And that's okay. You know, that's okay. I'm gonna work with it. I'm gonna work with what I've got, but which I should not have to do. I should have been getting what I was meant to receive. But in future, Luvme, send customers their right wigs. Ain't nobody got time to be wasting their coins, especially during this lockdown. Another disappointment, guys, was that before I came on camera, I attempted to pluck this hair. I don't know if you guys can see much difference, but I tried to pluck this hair and it just don't look like I did anything. But guys, I promise you I did. But it is what it is. So yeah, even though you pluck this hair, it won't really show, which is kind of a downer. But I've gathered that teapot lace wigs are more harder to work with. Because like I said at the beginning, this is a teapot lace wig, so that means there's not much lace. There's just a little bit of lace at the front and the lace going down through the parting area. And literally, as you guys saw just there, you saw me going back in again with my tweezers and plucking again. I was for real struggling, guys. See, I wasn't capping about that. So yeah, I did a lot of plucking in today's wig installation. I tried, y'all. I really did. But keep this in mind if you are ever receiving a teapot lace wig, or if you are thinking of purchasing a teapot lace wig. Keep in mind, please, that when it comes to teapot lace wigs, there's not much lace area, so you will struggle to make the hairline look natural when you attempt to pluck it, because like I said before, it's not like a normal lace frontal from, you know, where it's like, you know, you have a 13x6 lace frontal wig or a 13x4 and so forth, or even like a 360, those kind of wigs have more lace area. I did not go in with any bleach. I did not bleach this lace because, like I just said, there's not much lace on teapot lace wigs, so there's really no need to go in and bleach the lace. If you want to go in and bleach lace, that's perfectly fine, but I just feel like a little bit of foundation will do the trick. So yeah guys, that's the main info out of the way. So now I'm going to leave you all to continue on watching the rest of this install, and I'm gonna come back and let you know my last final thoughts about this hair. But before I go guys, if you are halfway through this wig install and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, if you are new, then go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit that bell also to always know when I upload.
Let's get scratching.
So yeah guys, this video is coming to an end. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did enjoy, please leave a big thumbs up, and if you want to ask any questions, leave it all down below in the comment section. My last thoughts about this unit is that the hair lays very well. I love the lace, love the parting, love how that this wig is so secure. It has the hooks at the back, the adjustable straps, and an extra elastic band, and I just love the color. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed and you would like to see more videos of me, make sure you're subscribed and turn my post notifications on, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.